Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to work another question on binomial distribution, which is this question. So we're going to look at this question number 5. So let's go right into it. The question reads as follows. The random variable x has a binomial distribution with mean 3 and variance 2.25. Find the probability of x is equal to 3. Now in this question, we have been given mean and variance for a binomial distribution. Now for a binomial distribution, we know that we need two parameters, which are x follows bin, which is n and p. Now we can see that we have not been given n and p, but we have been given two information that would help us find the two parameters. So it says here the mean is equal to 3. Now what is the mean of this question? So what is the mean of a binomial distribution? The mean represented by the e of x, which is np. So we know np is 3. The other information is the variance. So the var of x is npq, which is 2.25. So you can see that we have two equation here, two formula. Now we can see that we have np is equal to 3. Now in this one we can see npq is equal to this value. So here np is what? Np is 3. So we can replace np by 3. So we can write 3q is equal to 2.25. Now q is going to be 2.25 divided by 3. So you can have the answer q is equal to 0.75. So you can see you have q. Now from the q, can you find the value of p now? Yes, because we know that if we take p plus q, we should get 1. So here we do not know the value of p, but we know the value of q. So we are going to replace by 0.75 is equal to 1. So p is going to be 0.25. So we have p, we have q. What else do we need? We need the value of n. So the value of n is going to be, now we have, here we have np is equal to 3. N we do not know, but we know p now, which is 0.25 is equal to 3. So simple equation, 0.25 times n is equal to 3. N is equal to 3 divided by 0.25. So n is going to be 12. Okay, so here now we've calculated our two parameters, which are n and p. So we can write the distribution x follows bin, which is n 12, and then p, which is 0.25. Now in the question you have been asked to find what? The probability of x is equal to 3. So next line we write probability of x is equal to 3 is equal to NCR again 12C 3 multiplied by what? The p, it's 0.25 power 3, and then you multiply by what? 0.75 power 12 minus 3, which is 9. is equal to, so we can use the calculator here again. So we are going to have 0.75 power 9 is equal to this, multiplied by 0.25 power 3 is equal to, multiplied by 12 C3. So you are going to get 0.258. Here we leave it as 8 because after 8 we have 1. It is less than 5, so we do not add 1. So the answer is 0.258. I hope you understood this question. Thank you for watching my video. See you soon. Bye bye.